Alright, so in this video we're going to be removing a front bumper on a 23 Model 3. We already have this frunk piece off. So you're going to have some screws. There's going to be some right here, up here. I'm not sure about this side. One right here, one right there, one right there. And these are, I think, 10 millimeter, 7 screws. Okay, and then, it just pops it out. It goes underneath the hood latches or the hood hinges. And this is what it looks like when it's removed. So it'll give you access to remove these bolts for the front bumper. Alright, so now we're going to be removing all these clips. And I'll show you the tool we're using. You're going to be using a Husky clip remover tool, like this. You could use a flathead, it's a little bit more difficult, but this thing is pretty good. It's a 2-step clip. You pop the middle out and then it comes out entirely. So just remove all of them. Okay, so we got 10 clips from the bottom. This is the passenger side, same thing. Okay, so 3 on each side, driver's side, passenger side. Okay, so we turn the wheel a little bit. And obviously we have the car jacked up, so it makes it easier. So there's going to be a nut for a 10 millimeter. It's going to be under this splash shield. I can't really get the camera in there, so you will just have to wait to see it. And same thing on the passenger side. So the nut is like in this area inside. If you turn the wheels out the opposite way, it usually helps. And there's going to be a 10 millimeter bolt on top. The first one, I think so. So both passenger side and driver's side, right behind this little fender liner. Alright, now we're going to do the passenger side. Now we're doing the top ones. Okay, so make sure you take them all out. These just slide out. Okay. So unlock the red clip first, slide it down, and then you're going to be able to unlock the harness. So this is the bumper. So you have the 10 millimeter here, the clips here, then the other 10 millimeter nut was right here, the one we couldn't really record. This is a plug, so you have to move the red pin back first, and then it will allow you to press on this. So it's like a safety lock. And this is what it is. And these are those that have the nut on the edge. And these are the fender brackets that it clips into. So for installation, it's basically reverse. It's pretty similar. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's not that complicated. It usually helps if you have 2 people to raise the car off the floor like this, like about a foot to 2 feet off the ground. It's not necessary, you could work without it. So it's up to you, whatever's easier.